Hi everyone, Jessica with you. We are reviewing at all sorts of interesting crypto projects here. If you're here, you are here for the same reason why and everyone, to earn money and most importantly, not to lose them. Therefore, we carefully consider all kinds of projects, so it's not for bait or scammers. Be vigilant, study project with me, and of course, subscribe and put likes. The more of you and your likes, the more motivation I have to make my channel better. And let's get started.
As you understand from the title of this video, today I want to tell you about a coin that has the potential to change your life. This coin was created by a project that I have been watching for a long time and its scale is impressive. But let's talk about everything in more detail. There are coins that are constantly attracting attention regardless of the flow of the crypto market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. is the so-called major coin. Major coins are attracting attention because they are likely to rise in value. Among them, interest in deflationary coins, which have a very good structure to increase the value of the coin, is high these days. Representative deflationary coins are Ethereum and Bitcoin, and recently there is a coin that has been attracting attention as a new hyperdeflation coin. It's NvirCoin. NvirCoin is a structure in which supply is constantly incinerated that increases scarcity, which greatly increases the value of the coin. But in order not to be unfounded, I will tell you something else about this coin. NvirCoin surpasses the GPT and took the first place in terms of search volume on the Max exchange. To take the first place in the search on such a large exchange is an amazing indicator. I'm glad that I'm telling you about this coin at a fairly early stage because soon its value will be simple hug. But that's not all. NvirWorld recently signed an official partnership with Consensus, the developer that developed the MetaMask. MetaMask and Fura partnered together through Consensus, proving their technical skills. Some of its representative services include MetaMask and Ethereum wallet service and Infura, an infrastructure service that provides developers with the necessary tools to develop Ethereum-based applications. Such relationships always take the project to a new level, which is already very high here. I want to turn to media resources because I found a lot of articles about NvirWorld on the internet, and I want to tell you about the most important ones for me. In the first week of March, NVIRCOIN, which had already taken second place in search quantity after crypto GPT on Max, a cryptocurrency alternates rose to the highest of the search rankings. In February, media outlet named NvirWorld as one of many high-to altcoins that might enter consideration in 2022 together with Baby Dog. Since then, NvirWorld, those creator describes it because the next generation Ethereum is being searched extra by merchants and traders ahead of the maintained launch in this fall. NvirWorld has already ready many ecosystems resembling NFT marketplaces, play-to-earn P2E, decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, and online digital galleries. It is a distinct strategy from different tasks that steadily construct their ecosystems after launching their mainnet. Then I read about it. NvirWorld recently launched in a DEX, a hybrid DEX exchange. Following FTX, the liquidation of Silvergate is an alternative to ending the constant fear of bank ranks. Attention to DEX. It is attracting attention is a so-called bank rank-free exchange. NvirWorld, as they pending, has been developed with its independent technology specializing in cryptocurrency transactions. The decentralized hybrid exchange in a DEX has been developed based on this technology. It is possible to store and trade assets in each individual's wallet without complex personal affectionately like a decentralized exchange. In a DEX is also known as a new concept hybrid DEX exchange that absorbs only the advantages of centralized and decentralized exchanges. And what exactly are these advantages, we will discuss with you further. And that's why it's important for us to pay attention to this, because now we will get the most favorable conditions. In a DEX capital proven once a day, no complicated self-certification, gas fee does not occur per transaction but only once a day during the synchronization. In a DEX opened on April 1st, followers can join the public beta and get 20% discount when using code. The transaction fee is free for the month of April of INADEX, so no matter how many times you trade, make sure to trade it because it's a decentralized exchange, it's a personal wallet, so you can trade it safely without worrying about bank ranks. The exchange has been open since April 1st, so please try it. I told you that INADEX is a hybrid, and I want to tell you more about this by analyzing the pros and cons of each of the exchanges. The disadvantages of centralized exchange include quick verification and the inability to separate assets of the blockchain. The advantages include that the gas fee does not occur with every transaction. At the same time, the advantages of decentralized exchange include all the disadvantages of a many centralized one, the lack of constant verification and the ability to track assets. INADEX took the best from each of the advantages. INADEX took the best from each of the exchanges. These are the advantages of new product INADEX. First of all, it's capital proofed. It transparently once a day, so I think it will be very reliability. Second, free gas per transaction, gas fee doesn't happen. Lastly, self-verification is not complicated, it's very uncomplicated to load in. I think you understand how profitable these conditions are and that not every exchange can offer it. It's fast and convenient. There is no handling charge. There is no charge in the final assets within 24 hours, and no gas charge is required. Cash withdrawals are also very fast. Finally, just put the NvirCoins in your wallet, comfortable and good to try in a DEX. The new project really has all the potential to become number in its segment, and that's why the transaction fee is free for the month of April of INADEX. So no matter how many times trade, make sure to trade it because it is a decentralized exchange. It's a personal wallet, so you can trade it safely without worrying about bank ranks. And also you can easily sign up, connect by email without a wallet. That Ethereum Solana wallet automatically is issued if you just have an email. The exchange have been open since April 1st, so please try it. Let's move on, exploring Ethereum NvirWorld and the rise of layer thirds. Can NvirWorld grow as much as Ethereum? Ethereum is a layer first, meant the same as Bitcoin and Polkadot. However, the main problems are the high gas fee and slow transaction processing speeds. Layer seconds introduced rollups, bundling hundreds of transactions into one, increasing processing speeds and reducing transaction fees. Arbitrum and Optimism, OP are popular layer seconds. Arbitrum's daily transactions surpassed Ethereum for the first time on February 21. Solutions like Arbitrum and Optimism are gaining attention as they can improve the scalability and efficiency of the Ethereum network. However, many blockchain projects aim to define layer further that promises to offer even more benefits. NvirWorld is one of them. It aims to define its mainnet as layer further by bringing high utilization and commercialization of blockchain technology. It's a deflection coin that NvirCoin will continue to decrease in quantity and increase in scarcity and value. As you can see, NvirWorld, the platform is diverse. NvirMarket, which trade in NFT collections. I went to NvirMarket site and found that there was a Blue Rose campaign for patients with developmental disabilities. You are doing a pretty good job socially too. It operates the virtual scientific asset DeFi platform and hub and the offline gallery NvirGallery in Apeldoorn and has a total of 4 projects, including the casual P2E game Sugar Flower to be released in the first half of this year. Nvir Play Store NPC and NFT game only marketplace such as the App Store, Social Casino Online, their game and decentralized exchange in a DEX. Incineration is also self-increased by gas squads on the mainnet, but some of the platform's fees and revenues are also expected to be incinerated through the operation platform shown here. New index or Sugar social revenue profits project are also included in these pools. The key is that all gas squads generated lead to Nvir incineration. In particular, I'm looking forward to the upcoming index exchange among the NvirWorld ecosystems. Expectations are rising even more as they recently signed a global donation business with World Vision. You may think it's light, but if this is activated properly, it's going to be a lot of liquidity, and that fluidity will be directly linked to the mainnet gas bill, the incineration of Nvir. In my opinion, this is a hard step. This the blockchain donation project promoted by NvirWorld and World Vision. As many as 10 million World Vision sponsors can donate to their cryptocurrencies, not legal currencies, through index, and potential sponsors of cryptocurrency around the world can also donate conveniently to cryptocurrency without complicated exchange. It is a new challenge of popularizing blockchain through a flagged combination of blockchain technology and donation culture. It's a very positive sign that it doesn't seem boring even on the major exchanges. That's do you think? There is a clear reason why everyone is paying attention to NvirCoin these days, because as I said before, this coin can exchange the world. Now is a good time because Nvir is greatly undervalued. As much as you can expect a big profit, there may be risk, so if you keep 10% in your portfolio without burden, you can expect a big increases in value this year, since there is no additional supply in the limited liquidity. It is a structure in which expectation for its scarcity and value increase are bound to rise further. Nvir listed exchange, Max, Get.io, Lbank, Bitmark, It is a coin that has recently attracted as much attention as GPT, ranking second in max search volume of index. P2E games and social casinos are launched in the first and second quarters and mainnet in the fourth quarter. The view is good. Choose the exchange that is most convenient for you and go the coin that will change your life.
Well, judging by all of the above, it's really worth joining the project considering what profit it promises. Now the decision is up to you. I wish you good luck and see you soon, friends. Bye.